Hello, this is our lecture 33. The title of the lecture is S-No questions. S-No questions means the S-No type questions. There are such questions which take answers in yes or no are called the S-No type questions. These S-No type questions begin with the helping verbs, and at the end of them there comes the question mark. So they are called the S-No type questions. We will see the S-No type questions in the simple present tense, and the subjects will be or the subjects are I, we, you, they. It means that we will take the subjects I, we, you, they in the simple present tense. The first question is, do I know my parents well? The first question is, do I know my parents well? The answer is yes, I know my parents well. No, I don't know my parents well, or I do not know my parents well. When we see this question and its answers detailed, then we explain that this question, do I know my parents well? This question has begun with the helping verb do, and it has ended with a question mark. And the answer, this question has taken the answer, yes, I know my parents well. It means that the answer of this question has come in yes. And the second answer of this question has come in no. Means how? No, I don't know my parents well. So these answers show that this question is a S-No type question, because this question has got the answers in yes or no manner. There is the second question, and the second question is, do we speak really truth? Do we speak really truth? Yes, we speak really truth. No, we don't. We do not speak really truth. When we study detail the question number 2, then we understand again that there is the subject we. So the helping verb has come do. Then there is the main verb, that is the speak, and there is the remaining part of this question, and at the end of the question there is a question mark. So when we use the subjects I, we, you, and they, we make the question S-No type, and we take with it the do helping verb. Means do helping verb always comes with I, we, you, and they. It means that when the subjects are I, we, you, and they, then in the S-No type questions we take do helping verb. The question number 3, do you work honestly in your office? Do you work honestly in your office? The answer is yes, I work honestly in my office. No, I don't. I do not work honestly in my office. when we see these two answers and his question, then we again say that this is the SO type question, and this question has begun with do because the subject is you. So again I will tell you that when the subjects are I, we, you and they, and when we make a SO type question, then we use do helping verb in the beginning, or we take the do helping verb in the beginning. The question number 4 is, do they justify others in life? Do they justify others in life? Answers are yes, they justify others in life. No, they don't or do not justify others in life. When we see these are answers and that question, then we understand again, or we come to the point again, that this is the SO type question and the answers has come in the sense of yes and no. Means the question which answers us in yes or no is called the SO type question. So here we have completed the SO type question with the subjects I, we, you and they. Means when there are the subjects I, we, you and they, the SO type questions begin with do and ends with a question mark. Now again we have taken the simple present tense and the subjects are he, she, it, and the structures are positive. The first structure, when we discussed the SO type questions about I, we, you, they, that structure was also positive. And now also when we are discussing the simple present tense with he, she, it, the structure is again positive. The first SO type question is, or the sentence is, does he respect his parents in life? Does he respect his parents in life? The answer is yes, he respects his parents in life. Now when we study this question and this answer, we study that, or we know that this question has begun with does. Why? Because the subject is he. Means when in the SO type question the subjects are he, she, it, then the SO type question begins with does. Does means with the does helping verb. So the question is, does he respect his parents in his life or in life? The answer is yes, he respects his parents in life. So this respects has been collected with does plus respect. Means does plus respect is equal to respects. Does plus go is equal to goes. Does plus put is equal to puts. Like this we should do, or we can do. Then the no, there is the next answer, that is the answer which has come in no sense. Means the answer has come in the no meaning. So the question is, does he respect his parents in life? No, he does not. He doesn't respect his parents in life. So this is the negative question. The first was the positive question. This is the negative answer, and the first was the positive answer. So when there is the negative answer, always he, she, it takes with them does not or doesn't plus main verb. And when there is the yes, when there is the positive answer or yes, the answer in yes, then there comes the verb in positive sense, means collects. Just we saw collects means does plus collect, puts does plus put, like this. The next question is, does she care her husband well in life? Does she care her husband well in life? The answer is yes, she cares her husband well in life. Here, this cares has been collected or has been made with does plus care, means does plus care means cares. Does plus put means puts, like this. Then the next answer is, does she care her husband well in life? No, she does not, she doesn't care her husband well in life. So here again, the subject is she, and and helping verb is doesn't or does not plus main verb. So when the subjects are he, she, it, there is does not or doesn't plus main verb. And the S2 type question begins with does, and at the end of that S2 type question comes the question mark. This is the situation of that grammatical question. The third question is, does it means a book, suppose. Does it message on humanity? Does it message on humanity? Yes, it messages on humanity. Yes, it messages on humanity. So these messages has been collected with does plus message. Does plus message is equal to messages. Now again I will say that this question has begun with does, and at the end of it there is a question mark. Now the negative answer we will see. I will read the question again. Does it message on humanity? No, it doesn't, it does not message on humanity. So here in this negative answer, the it has taken with it doesn't or does not plus main verb. So here we have seen the yes/no questions or yes/no type questions which take the answers in yes or no sense, and which begin with the helping verbs and ends with the question mark. So as usual, or as usually, I request you that you don't go outside, because I always give you a message that there is the corona outside, and so I hope that you will not go out of the homes. Stay safe, stay happy at home. Thank you.